Okay, so what's the next thing here? We need to get this library text in here. So let's go ahead and go back to our CSS, and now we're looking for the header dot department, and that's going to be positioned absolute also. And we need to go back into Google Chrome and figure out what these coordinates are again. So I drew a box around here using my page ruler. From the left, I'm 109 pixels away, and from the top, I'm 39 pixels. Let's go back into our CSS. Top, 39 pixels, left. I'm going to go ahead and match what I have on the campus div, and it's going to be 110 pixels. And the font family is Arial. And I can go ahead and save that, go back to Chrome, go back to my page, and refresh, and you can see that it's positioned where I want it to be, but let's go ahead and play around with the font size and see if we can get it close to where we'd like it to be. So 2Ms, 3Ms, 4 is too much, so how about 3.5 Ms? That looks about right. Alright, so I've added that to my CSS. I can go back to my page, refresh, and we're starting to get closer to the layout that we're looking for. What do we need to do next? We need to grab these list items, these unordered lists, and turn them into navigation, horizontal navigation items, like we have in our mock-up over here. So, what do we need to do again? We need to go ahead and use our page ruler and kind of draw that out and see how far. We're about 13 pixels from the top. Now the right doesn't work very well, but if I go ahead and draw a box over here, I can see that I'm about, the width is 13 pixels, so I'm about 13 pixels away from this right edge. Okay, so I'm going to go back into my CSS, and now if we take a look at the HTML, so we've already gone in and we've styled the department, and we've styled the class navigation. What we need to do now, actually, sorry, we've already styled the department and the campus classes. Let's go ahead and style the navigation, and let's go ahead and style the search box. So in our app, inside of our header tag, we're looking for a class of navigation. It's going to be position absolute again. And I know from the right edge I'm about 15 pixels. Let's go ahead and do the same thing for the search box. Okay, let's find out how far we are from the top. So this box here, let's draw that, use the page ruler to draw that, and we're about 15 pixels from the top. And the search box itself is, oops, about 53 pixels from the top. Let's go back into our CSS. The search box was 53 pixels from the top, and then I forgot what this one was, 18 pixels. Okay, let's go ahead and save that, go back to our page, refresh, and now you can see that we have them styled correctly over here. Now all we need to do is make sure that we style the list items so that they look like they do in our page that we're trying to duplicate.